AI के आने के बाद से, do you think that AI can actually solve the Indian unemployment problem in one way or other way?
AI would solve current problem, yes, if you use it in a right way. Those who are able to identify YouTube as their platform are doing magic. But because they know how to utilize it, they are not just playing around it, to kill the time कि यार चलो कुछ नहीं है तो ये कर लेता है. If you are in that mode, you would land nowhere. If AI would solve unemployment, yeah, hell lot of opportunities.
Yes.
And अभी जो time है, this is the perfect time.
Time, yes.
क्योंकि सारी industries, they are not sure how to respond to this change.
This change, yes.
You would be the innovator. आप जाइए, आपके resume में लिखिए. If you are going to company like Bridgestone, if you go to companies in healthcare, in finance, in education, you just show them कि यार what I can do.
With AI and
Yes. But you should have this courage, and you should have this ambition that I want to do something. Then only you would be able to do this.
in order to discuss about the opportunities after AI, right? So, what are the new roles emerging in the era of AI? Because traditionally it's been like software engineer, database engineer, or I would say that network engineer. So, I think those days are gone now.
Yes.
Now we are talking about AI engineer. We are talking about the ML ops engineer.
ML ops.
Right.
This is the
new term. We are talking about AI ops as well.
AI
so,
ops as well.
What kind of new roles are emerging, and how current workforce can actually prepare themselves for those new roles?
ML ops and AI consulting engineering, these are the new roles. Apart from it, we are also coining new terms because we got our new agentic Scrum Master.
Oh.
We got our agentic Jira Board Master. We got the Product Spec Master. So these are all new things coming up. And it is mostly about... If you talk about a Scrum team, there are typically 7 members which are suggested that you should have in team, right? 2 engineers, you have 1 QA, 1 UI developer, 1 Scrum Master, and 1 senior engineer, right? The way we started looking at that problem, everyone should have 1 agent with the name of the similar designation, like AI UI engineer. And you're not directly working on the piece of code. You're co-creating with that agent that we are building for you. And that's the part of AI Lab. That's the job of AI Lab, to create that agent to replace their day-to-day job. And I think we are reaching to a point where we would be having 3 hours of work day. So man hours would be reduced from 8 to 3.
8 to 3.
But layoffs are still far away from us.
Yes. Okay. Now, abhi, जैसे we talked about your evolution from director of engineering to CTO, right? Now, let's put that in the context. And anyone who wanted to be CTO or senior tech professional, there were like defined trajectory की मेरे को ऐप डेवलपमेंट आना चाहिए, आर्किटेक्चर आना चाहिए, नॉलेज ऑफ नेटवर्किंग होना चाहिए, डेटाबेस होना चाहिए. सो दीज वर द थिंग्स those people were planned path. Now after AI, somebody who is in their 8 year, 9 year, 10 year of industry, and after AI in next 10 years, if they want to become CTO, what should be the trajectory looks like?
10 years from now?
Now.
I think that's very far-fetched. I'm not sure what's going to happen 10 years down the line with this change. I think the entire hierarchy system has to be redefined again. Yes.
So that means even we don't know कि CTO की जरूरत पड़ेगी भी या नहीं पड़ेगी.
Yeah,
after 10 years.
Yes, there may be a new term. So definitely humans तो रहेंगे, but at what designation, doing what, still has to be defined. Yes. So
it would be early.
This is ever changing world. We must understand. If I say this would be the path or learn this tool, would be wrong. So we should wait. We should wait and see.
Okay. Now we know that about like since India known for the big consumer market, right? And we are like a tech consumer nation rather than tech creator nation, right? So in the context of current AI, we have almost like more 6 million, 60 lakh odd people are working in IT industry somewhere. If considering that level of workforce, how we are going ourselves trained इन अ वे कि हम एआई को अडॉप्शन करके फ्रॉम कंज्यूमर इकोनॉमी टू क्रिएटर इकोनॉमी अपने आप को कन्वर्ट कर सके.
I have a lot of faith in these young people. So apart from the ecosystem, apart from the resources available, or we as a country we're going right. I'm talking to a lot of young people these days, and I'm amazed by the fact that they don't want to go out. They want to create something for their country. We spent one night in IIT, and I met a lot of people, lot of students. They're not talking about settling themselves in abroad. They're not talking about North America. They were trying to solve local problems. They're coming up with a lot of different ideas. So I have a lot of faith in it that now is the time for us to change the entire game for us. We were part of the game. I think now it's time for us to create a whole new game for us as a country.